Namaskar everyone, welcome back to Current Dance. So we're discussing the rights given to the ethnic groups of we'll discuss now today we'll discuss about the rights of Muslim in the Constitution Nepal. So the first provisions given in these rights are elimination of discrimination based on the caste, class, region and language and religions, building of elegant society founded on the proportional inclusion and participatory principle. Political objective of the state is to ensure the fundamental rights and norms and the values of human rights. No discrimination are made on in the application of gender laws on the ground of origin, region, sex, caste, tribes, and other grounds, making up a special provision by the law protection, empowerment, or development of citizens, including the social and culturally backward Muslim. Every citizen residing in the Nepal has a right to get the education in the mother tongue, and for the purpose to open and operate the schools and educational institutions. Every Nepali citizen residing in Nepal has a right to preserve and promote their language, script, culture, and culture, civilization, and heritage. The right to the social justice to participate in the state bodies and their on the basis of inclusion principle according to the socially backward Muslim, making up their special provision in equal distribution of uh, economic, social, and cultural opportunities and benefit Muslim too in the opportunities and benefit the indigenous society within the such community of their protection, upliftment, empowerment, and development. Provision of Muslim Commission as a constitutional commission, protection of egalitarian society based on equality, inclusion, representation, and identity while structuring the state, president and vice presidents to be formed at different section communities. The political party is required to be filled with the candidacy on the basis of inclusion principle on the in the election of the House of Representatives and State Assembly under the proportional electoral systems. Entry of a Muslim army to be done on the basis of principle of equality and inclusion. Appointment of the Nepalese ambassador and social envoy are made in accordance with the inclusive principle. Appointment of the officers of constitutional organs and bodies are made in accordance with the inclusive principle. The eliminating the election constitutions to be done considering the density of the population, geographical specificity, administrative and transportation convenience, and community and cultural aspect of the constituency. So the last rights of the people with a disability in the constitution of Nepal. So the first provision here is the political objectives of the state is to be ensure social justice. Second is the building an egalitarian society founded on the proportional inclusion and participatory principles to ensure the economic equality and prosperity and social justice according to the priority of the indigenous within all sexes, religions, and communities in provision of social security and social justice to be state policies for the social justice and inclusions. No discrimination be made in the application of the general laws on the ground of disability, health status, and any other grounds like this. Making up a special provision by the laws of protections, empowerment, development of the citizen, including the socially and culturally backward peoples in with a disability. The citizens of with the disabilities and economically indigent citizens have the right to get free higher education in accordance with the law. So the visually impaired citizen has a right to get a free education through the burial script, and the citizen with a hearing or speaking impairment to get a free education through sign language in accordance with the law. Right to the social justice to participate in the state bodies of the on the basis of inclusion principle, including of socially backward and peoples with a disability. So citizens with disabilities have a right to live the life with a dignity and order with the identity of their diversity and have equal access to the public services and facilities. The indigent citizens, incapacitated and helpless citizens, and the citizens with a disability have a right to social security to ensure at least the member members of the elected from the peoples with a disability and the minor communities of National Assembly for each states. Provision of the National Inclusion Commissions as a national commission for the protection, empowerment, and development and prosperity and peoples, including the peoples with the disabilities. Appointment of the Nepalese ambassadors and especially in boys to made in accordance with the inclusive principle. Appointments up to the office of constitutional organs and the bodies be made in accordance with the inclusive principles. So with this we'll end this lecture of the rights, and we have completed the rights of ethnic groups. Now we'll discuss the new topic from the next lecture. Thank you. Jai Nepal.